Imagine traveling back in time to the high plateau of Bolivia, where the ancient ruins of Puma Punku lie scattered. This archaeological site has baffled scientists and historians for decades. The precision-cut stones, some weighing over 100 tons, fit together like a jigsaw puzzle without the help of mortar. Even more astonishing, these stones have perfectly drilled holes and intricate carvings, a feat seemingly impossible with the technology available over 1,000 years ago. Could it be that advanced beings, perhaps extraterrestrial, played a role here? Some theorists believe that Puma Punku was a landing site for alien spacecraft, given its unusual construction and alignment with celestial bodies. While mainstream archaeology credits the Tiwanaku civilization for these marvels, the debate about alien intervention continues to intrigue minds worldwide. Whether by human hands or extraterrestrial ones, Puma Punku remains one of Earth's greatest enigmas. Join us next time as we dive deeper into the mysteries of our ancient world.